Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video by Police Insider. The title of the video is "Man Thinks He Can Attack Cops Without Consequences." Listen, we all know if you put your hand on a cop, man, it ain't gonna be pretty, man. It probably ain't gonna be the outcome that you're looking for, man. I'm trying to tell you.
We're going to have to take you to the hospital and get further evaluation because we don't know. Stop. Don't headbutt me like that again.
On July 15th, 2024, officers responded to a fight in progress. While en route, they learned that the suspects were separated, but quickly located one of them near the area.
We're going to be out with the male white subject. Where's the other guy at, man? You right?
What color shirt does he have on? Darker green with orange and then you got gray and sweatpants.
You okay? I forget your name. Do you remember me? I gave you a ride to your house?
Outstanding subject's going to be male Hispanic.
David, right? David, is that your name? David. Is your name David? David. You right? You want to take a seat? Take a seat.
Hey, take a seat. Yo!
Give him the taser. Give him the taser. Give him the taser. Get away. Taser, taser, taser.
Yeah, 4, step it up.
Get him drop, get him drop.
Bruh, if y'all niggas don't beat this nigga up, bruh, what the fuck? Yo, what y'all talking about? Get the taser. Get the taser. Bro, he can't even fight. Bro, did you see this dude, bro? He like, what? You hit that boy with a 2, pow, get him right real quick. What? Hey, it's fair game. He already attacked you. Like, y'all niggas, y'all. See, yay. Listen, they need, hey, look, I feel like the best cops are the ones that kind of like, they kind of grew up, you know, not having the easiest life, but not, you know, they kind of normal, you know what I'm saying? But they get, they understand like the street part of it too. Like, bro, come on, bro. This is an easy W, bro. Did you see him?
Where's the other guy at, man?
These guys look like they ain't never been in a fight in their life. Look like they just got out the academy or something, man. What's going on?
What color shirt does he have on?
It's going to be
darker green with orange and then you got gray and sweatpants.
You okay?
He ain't got no weapon or nothing.
I forget your name. Do you remember me? I gave you a ride to your house?
Outstanding subject's going to be male Hispanic.
David, right? David, is that your name? David. Is your name David? David. You right?
Look when he start fighting. Look at this. Look at this.
You want to take a seat? Take a seat.
Hey, take a seat. Yo!
Give him the taser. Give him the taser. Give him the taser. Get away. Taser, taser, taser.
If you made it this far in the video, I know that you're enjoying it. We're going to get right back to it in a second, but I just want you to do a couple of things. First things first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification, hit all. Then, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you check out our members-only content. You would click on join, check out our supporter package for $4.99, where you get badges, custom emojis, you're just showing your gratitude to the channel. Comment priority. You know I do not comment very often on videos, but I will reply to you. If you have any video suggestions, you can definitely let me know. We will get to it. And early access to all new videos. Now check out VIP. You get everything in the supporter package, but you also get member shoutouts, right? I will shout you out on the video, and members only exclusive videos. Now that I've explained all that, thank you so much for your support. Let's get back to the video.
Yeah, 4, step it up.
Man, these guys ain't never been in a fight in their life, dog. And it's sad because you got an older looking dude and the younger dude, bro. The younger dude should know how to fight, bro. bro, give him a 2-piece and a side of a biscuit. You hear me? Like, the dude can't fight. He look like he under the influence. Oh man, come on, guys. Y'all gotta tighten up, bro. Y'all gotta tighten up. That little ass taser, man. What? You could take him down. What? Boop, 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 boop. Act right. Act right. Get him with that act right, man.
Get him drop. Get him drop. Get him behind your back. Get him behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Get your car. Get your car.
The alley 511 Addison, 511 Addison, in the alley by Starbucks.
Sit up. Stay down.
Already secured in hand.
511 South Addison in the alley.
Good?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
The alley 511 Addison.
One of the responding officers correctly identified the suspect as David before the unprovoked attack. David continued to be uncooperative by not responding to any directions or questions.
Good. Stay down on the ground. Don't try to get up.
Radio traffic.
Stay down on the ground. Don't.
Bravo 91 status
Stay.
on your stop.
Stop. Stop resisting and stop trying to fight us. You understand? They hit you? Nothing more. Stop.
91 and 2.
I knew when he had his clenched fist that he was.
Yeah, I saw him too. That's why I backed up from him and waited for you.
Hold on, hold on.
You guys got
Well, he's still trying to fight. He's trying to get
He's
up.
still
So
trying to get
he
up
swung
and
at both of us.
Hey, whose squad's right there? Who's 57? I am. My keys fell down somewhere. I got it.
You guys okay?
Yeah.
Hey, you done? He's
Listen,
not.
you're under arrest.
He's not talking at all.
He wasn't talking at all.
Hey, someone open up the squad. Keep the door open. Sit up and be good. Sit up and be good.
You good?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Relax.
Relax, dude. Come on, chill out.
Hey. Grab his arm. Grab his arm. Show his arm. He's getting back to just freaking walk. He lives in Addison, but he goes walk around.
Hey. Hey, chill out, dude. Chill out.
Walk in the squad. Doors open?
Yeah, door's open.
Let me make sure he doesn't have any weapons on him. Hold on. Hold on.
You want AFDs to come to booking or you want them here?
Come your legs. Come your legs. Yeah, I think this is David. Yeah, David.
Hey, Adam, run them.
Close him up. Oh, check stress.
Careful that 596. That's 130. It's out.
What is it?
Yeah, probably.
Do you have any other problems in them? I know.
Check them. So, David. Adam 3, 1061, 43 in traffic.
Inside the squad car, David kept repeatedly striking the partition with his head. The officers, fearing an in-custody injury, then arranged for David to receive medical attention, which he protested to and ultimately declined in an aggressive manner.
No, stop.
Yo, boy out there tweaking, bruh. I don't know. The guy probably homeless or something. Probably just wants to go, you know. Cause hey, that happens a lot. You know, guys get in trouble on purpose because you got 3 meals in a cot. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you know what I'm saying? You go in jail, it's like, okay, well, you get to eat. You know what I'm saying? Free bed. You know what I mean? Like, so sometimes guys just be tweaking just to go, like.
Okay, cool.
Just sit down, David. Sit down. Sit down.
Nope. Here, take a break. Yeah. We're gonna check you out real quick, okay?
Hi, David. My name's Emily, okay? I'm with the fire department. What's going on? You having any pain anywhere? Looks like you got a pretty good sized bump on the front of your forehead there. Does your head hurt at all?
Oh, you just checking you out. Off, man. Man.
Yourself, David. We gotta make sure you're okay. You got a pretty big bump on your forehead.
Check your BP, man. That's it.
Hey, settle down. Baby, stop. Relax. Relax. They're just trying to check you out. You don't want them to check you out? You good? Yeah. Okay, relax. They won't check you then. Yeah, let me grab this from you.
I got it. Send it this way.
Start calling the opposite shift and ask for one officer to come in. David, if they can't assess you, you're gonna have to go to the hospital more than likely to get evaluated there, man. Listen, if you answer some of their questions, it goes easier and smoother. I know you're frustrated right now, but if you can just work with them, they just want to make sure you're safe and make sure there's nothing more going on, okay? They're here to check on your well-being. So all they're doing is basic. They're gonna check your blood pressure, some of that stuff. They're gonna ask you some very basic questions. That's all they're doing, David, okay? They just want to see how your vitals are doing. If you let them do this, this process goes quicker and easier for you. Does that make sense, David? Is that something you can agree to do? Can they just check your blood pressure? Is that fine?
David, if you're not able to answer these questions, my man, we're going to have to take you to the hospital and get further evaluation because we don't know if you're
Right.
Stop. Don't headbutt me like that again. Relax.
What do you guys need to do medically?
So we'll have to take him in. Obviously,
We need more people.
and then probably going over.
Yep. Sounds good.
The 28-year-old suspect, David, was charged with battery, aggravated battery on a law enforcement officer, and resisting arrest with violence.
Tweaking. I don't get it, bro. I don't get it. It's like people don't like their freedom. Like, you don't like freedom? You don't like being free? You want to go to jail? Like, that don't make no sense to me. It really don't. It don't make no sense to me at all. I like my freedom. Hey, sure. I don't care if I like my freedom, boy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.